Me busy. Yeah, no, me busy. You busy. I've said you busy. I've repeated it. You busy. You busy. Because we are here, we have different. This Ugandanese, most especially idlers, they have time to spend on such nonsense.
Finally, ye omukulu Bajjo munange yavuddeyo nayanukula ABBA mujjukire batusuubiza okola interview mu luzungu era bagikoze naye yabadde esesa ngenda kuba bibawa mu maaso awo mu bujjuvu naye nga gwatanaba subscribinga mukwano kusaba soko subscribinge waneeno ku Merank News liking eno video sharing commenting tekako notification bell ako akade wentekayo video obelenga togisubwa ba returning subscribers mbagala nnyo akensuso kyemukola kyakabinyo baddiya era mbasaba temujango okwo bamikwano munange omukulu Bajjo ne KASUKU finally bamaze ne bakola interview gye batusuubiza okukola mu luzungu anti ABBA yabayisaamu eggaali ng'ayogera luzungu so munange nabo basazeewo babeerenga bamwanukula mu luzungu mujjukirako ko awo ABBA nga yakamaliriza okukola eyo live tajavaayo na postinga na nga asaba KASUKU mbuno interviews ze bakola ku Friday eya Friday nebere yanjawulo baberenga bagikola mu luzungu kubanga abantu babajerega nnyo tebamanyi luzungu ABBA byayogera mu video yasooka tebabitegeera yensonga lwaki bavaayo ne bamukriticizinga kubanga ABBA byayogera mbu tebabitegeera oluzungu lwali lungi nnyo so Bajjo n'asaba KASUKU n'amugamba eno interview gye tugenda okuddamu okola tugikole mu luzungu tubalage mbuno twasoma jukiro ina degree mu psychology bwate ne Bajjo naye alikola degree eli ku MUBS so nagamba eno interview tugikole mu luzungu tubalage mbuno oluzungu tulumanyi tulutegeera era ABBA byayogera twabitegeera era naffe tusobola okumwanukula mu luzungu so munange bakoze interview era interview yabadde mpanvu nde Bajjo yabadde mukambwe nnyo naye interview yabadde esesa kuva we yatandise paka we bagiwunzise naye ngenda kuba mbaterako wano ka clip katono kampe nnyo gwayagala interview yonna osobola ogenda ku YouTube ya KASUKU ojja kuba olaba interview yonna mu bujjuvu nze ngenda kuba waneeno mbasunirako busunizi katono so bamikwano kambere nga mbalekerako kaneeno ka video muwulireko ku bimu Bajjo byavuddeyo natanya mweyo video ng'akozesa luzungu so bamikwano ka video kakano kambere nga nkabalekerako naye nga mbere bulungi mweraba.
But I want to ask me. I have two questions. One, did you understand what the boy said in the beginning?
I understood the beginning.
What did he say in the beginning?
The boy told to say that my father has an addiction issue. It might be cocaine, it might be alcohol, it might be cigarette, it might be shisha. Him coming to public said that there's an addiction problem.
What is wrong with him saying that?
That is very bad. You are killing the father's blood before sponsors and customers. The boy is killing himself. Because with the help of these single mothers and idlers shouting, praising the idiot, he thinks that now he has won the battle. And I'm not here to win the battle because there's nothing. Even if I die now, how can I term this? For me, I've enjoyed my life to the fullest. Even if I die now, I die a happy soul.
So
you get me well?
I do.
Where he is, I was worth like him. I was worth 17 years.
He's 19.
At my age of 19, my friends, he was baby cool, those Kenzos. At 19, I was associating with the big brands.
So how old are you now?
I'm 34. Oh. I know what it means to kill and build a brand. I've built many brands.
Like who?
Rotaro, Saha, Zani Brownie, those mariachis. Uganda have to them. I know if I come to camera and say that Rutario is a night dancer, it means I have killed his blood. Even when I'm wrong, you better keep quiet or you better abuse me. But you are stupid because you are doing wrong things.
But I think that is what the boy was saying. He disagreed with your opinion.
My opinion, the boy.
Your opinion.
Have you? Then explain to me my opinion. At first, I see whether you followed it.
Your opinion. You came.
What was my opinion?
Your opinion. The moment. This is what the boy said. The boy said, when you notice someone shouting as they try to make a point, then they are empty.
Do you know why I shouted?
Say, okay, why did you shout?
Because I was hungry.
Angry. Hungry is...
I was angry.
Yes.
I never expected the boy to come and attack the grandparents and the father in public.
So your line of defense has been from the word go. He should not have spoken about his father
and the mother.
And the grandparents.
He has the right to do anything else. Dan, me, I'm here fighting for the rights of the father.
What is your interest in this matter?
My interest in this matter, I'm saving.
Why are you stuck on it?
I'm saving.
It feels so personal
because
for you.
I'm a parent. I have children like a 10. I don't want my children to behave like him. And they are on social media. Last day my son was telling me, Daddy, why are you quarreling with the people? So I'm trying to build a...
So you have a son. Could you be happy if they called your son a pig?
When he's behaving like a pig. I don't have any problem with that.
Or could you be happy when they bring such allegations about your mother?
When she's fueling his son to be stupid and to do idiotic actions, I can. Even if I'm the one doing it. Now he called me a pig. Do you see me pissed off?
He didn't say you were a pig.
Logically, KASUKU. What did you study in psychology? What did you study in psychology?
English.
First, what did you study? Tell me the course of psychology course you did.
No, you're not my lecturer.
But KASUKU, you might not be the one who sat for those exams.
No, who sat for
even you don't know the course unit. In psychology, someone can come to the KASUKU, you are walking like a cow. He said, KASUKU, you are walking dancing. When it's the pig which walks dancing.
So you get to understand that they are saying
that I'm a pig. The man came here, ready-handed, confidently,
and said the word
that me pig, look at his head. He was mean that my head, I'm the one who resembles a pig, not him. Let us be realistic, KASUKU. These people, they have logic. I'm telling you, stop sugarcoating. The only problem you have is sugarcoat everything.
But that is why that is why I asked you earlier. Were you hurt?
No, I'm not hurt, but
at the time
let me give you the translation. He made that I'm the one who looks like a pig, not him.
Yeah, because you earlier called him a pig.
Because he said that how can a pig abuse a pig? That was the logic behind his statement. Do you know that why you're laughing? Look at this man. How many minutes have you done? I have only 10 minutes to go.